We're in the north on this edition of Water Wednesdays, Allendale specifically, and where we're standing is part of the solution to some of the water woes that we've been seeing in St. Peter, St. Lucie and parts of St. Andrew. To tell us about Allendale 2, that's what this well is called, is water quality specialist Alex Ifill. Alex, no shortage of issues in the north. We've had water discoloration issues and other problems, but this well may hold the answer to some of these challenges.
This well is one part of the group of solutions that the Barbados Water Authority is implementing to address the problems of water shortage and discolored water that the residents of St. Lucie, St. Peter, and mainly St. Peter has been facing. Now, one of the reasons that we were having these problems is we have just come out of an extended period of drought. One of the more significant droughts as far as the Caribbean Institute of Hydrology and Meteorology has recorded. Now, this has led to constant disruptions of service in these parishes. This disruption in service has also led to dissatisfaction with our customers, and when the water returns, from the disruption of the supply to discoloration. Now, to solve this problem, yes, we depend on nature mainly for the first set, but we all know it takes a little time, on average across Barbados, 3 months after the rainfall has started, for us to see responses in our aquifer. Many persons in these areas will have been complaining of high salinity in their waters. This is one of the things we use to monitor the fact that our water supply is stressed. And as the months go on, we are beginning to see this reduction in salinity, meaning that slowly the water supply is returning. But it will still take about another 2 months before we can actually get back to top peak supply.
Mm-hmm. So how will Allendale 2 help, and what is to happen here in terms of capital works?
Well, this site will be used for a temporary desalination plant that can provide water daily to the distribution supply that feeds St. Lucie and parts of St. Peter and the small part of St. Andrew. Also, in addition to that, we will be replacing some mains which has started to take water from Allendale going back into the half-acre reservoir, which this is basically not new mains, but mains replacement of those old mains, as the mains network in this area is pretty aged. And therefore, that is one of the key solutions to the discoloration in the water, is to upgrade the aging pipe network and to provide additional water supply into the area.
Now, over at the Allendale pumping station, well and pumping station itself, a significant upgrade is coming for that facility as well.
Yeah, this upgrade is mainly to deal with the sequestration of the rust from the mains network. What we'll be doing, we'll be adding a food grade phosphate that will hold the rust or sequester the rust in place, form a cap, and avoid the high peaks of rust that occurs after breaks and so forth. So this is just an amelioration method to control the rust that the people in the area and control the red water that the people in the area is facing.
Okay, so we are addressing some of that discoloration that you've been seeing. Of course, those water outages, we are hoping for fewer of them and fewer breaks in these mains as new mains get installed. All of that and further updates will come to you right here on Water Wednesdays. Again, thank you, Alex, for sharing with us today. To view this or a previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. You can go to our Facebook or Instagram pages. You will find additional information there. Or just type Water Wednesdays in YouTube. You can find us there.